I caught an obsession, I think. I'd done scouts from a young age, so I was always kind of sharpening sticks and building shelters in the woods or whatever. Woodworking is better than any therapy. So it was always kind of a rewarding process that just gave me a great deal of satisfaction. You're kind of looking where the knots are, how the grain is flowing, the chisel, the saw, and you get to have at it. You know, the things that make you weird when you're a teenager make you interesting in your 20s. I find the best work I do is past 6 o'clock. I'll find this euphoric energy. The ideas would just come to me. So to any young person out there, I would tell them, if you have a passion, pursue it to no end. Don't really care what anyone else thinks. But I think it's important to, you know, be true to your values, and I think in the long term, people will admire that. I've such a passion for woodworking, and I'm very lucky I get to wake up every single day and do it for a living.